Hi everyone, this is Elena Rosalind Michelle. You can call me Lynn though. I am the creator behind the Star of Destiny Creations and also behind the 2003 Color of the Month Challenge. I am being co-hosted with Donna Creations and more. So we want to thank Donna. She will be linked in the description below so you can also follow her channel. So we are in the wrap up for February. February color of the month was in the pinks or in the reds with no specific guideline. So when there's no specific guideline, it means that you can use as much or as less of pinks or reds. But since it was February and Valentine's Day, I'm sure everyone was working on Valentine's projects. Now, before I show you some of the examples, you can still join us by following the hashtag down below, 2003 February Color of the Month Challenge Collab. It's very long, but that will be linked in the description below. Anyone with a Instagram or YouTube account can join us. So as long as you post a reel, a photo, YouTube, a short video, you can add clips of projects and be included in the playlist. So when you use the hashtag on Instagram, you automatically get into the playlist. So you want to click on that hashtag and follow. Then when anyone else comes in and joins, you'll be updated on their new projects that they have been working on. So the wrap up is in the pinks and reds. So this is a Premier Bloom. It is pink with dark pinks. So definitely in the pinks and reds. Does not mean that you have to have all these multicolors in there. Just something pink, something dark pink, something light pink. Now I made this last night. So cute. So you can see this is a variegated and it has pink already in it. So definitely want to use, anything that has anything in there. I mean, public libraries can put their books together on the bookshelves, how they have those really nice displays, and display them as well. Interior designs, artists, photographers, carpenters. I mean, if you paint, you use color, you can join. So what I'm gonna give you a sneak peek of what I did with this. It's already been on Instagram and on YouTube. So I made this cute little note. So this is a blush pink, or you can call it like a rose gold, with the Premier's Tulip Bloom. So this, I will be doing a YouTube and Instagram channel on how I made this and a little bit behind what yarn I used. And it's not going to be elaborate, but it's going to be something that will be part of the February Color of the Month Challenge collab. All right, so I decided to do this because there's different colors that I don't use for myself that I use for other people, and so I thought this would be really great. And working with my cognitive memory issues, to do work on something during the month that will keep me motivated. And of course, we want to share. Who doesn't want to share a makes? So if you have a project, you can join at any time. But to get into the top playlist, you want to start putting in your makes from today, February 28th through March 3rd, to get in the top list of the playlist. If you are watching this on YouTube, you want to do a shout out at Donna's Creations and More. Her call sign will be down below. And then also mine at Lynn Star of Destiny Creations. Just one or the other. We both can put everyone's videos into the playlist. So I can't wait to see what you made.